Hi, uh, welcome back to the channel. This side Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, uh, we are going to discuss about the another excellent feature of Microsoft Excel, that is called grouping feature of Microsoft Excel. So let us start with this. The data stored in a worksheet can be grouped together in the form of a number of rows or columns, forming the different table of groups. Grouping the data helps to summarize it. It is also useful to add groups to the data so that a user need not go through each and every cell data to look for a value. Rather, a data value can be traversed by looking into the grouping containing the cells. The outline for each and every group can be done on the basis of rows as well as on the basis of columns. The outline of each and every group is displayed in outline pane. You can select a range of rows or columns and group them into one level. So grouping can be applied on numeric data as well as non-numeric data. So let us discuss with an example. So let's say my company is having a business all across the world. So my company has divided entire world on the basis of their division. So my company is having a division like Australian division, European division, American division. You can notice out here, and Asian division as well as African division. So this Excel worksheet is having a detailed information about our sales. Now, my top level management, they are not interested to see all the details information. So they wanted to see the summarized information, and as per the need, they wanted to see the individual division as a detailed information. So how we can implement it? For that, we are having a data tab on the menu bar. So you can click on data tab on the menu bar. Within this, we are having a one group called outline. And within the outline group, we are having a option called group. So we can click on group option, and within a group, we can select group. The moment we will select the group. So let us see. In order to do the grouping, once again, what we'll do, we will highlight our division first. So I wanted to group all these data. So I have selected a data from A4 to E7. So I wanted to group this. So I've selected this, and again I went to the data. Within the data, this is the outline group, and within a group, we will select the group. And you can notice out here, we have got one small window. It is asking on what level of grouping you wanted to do, whether it is a row level grouping or column level grouping. Since we wanted to group row level, so we will select the rows and we will click on OK. The moment you click on OK, you can notice one small sign of minus is displayed in this particular pane. If I click on this minus sign, entire data has been collapsed, and we are able to see only the total cells of Australian division. In the same fashion, what we can do is we can do the grouping for European division. So we will select only the data of the European division, and after selecting it, again, I'll go to data. Within a data, we'll go to the outline and group, and we'll select the group option. The moment we will select the group option, again, it is asking for whether it is a row level grouping or column level grouping. So let's go for row level grouping. And similarly, see out here, we are getting this minus symbol on this pane. If I click on the minus, again, the European data has been collapsed, and we are able to see only the summarized data of European division. Accordingly, we will do the grouping for American division. And again, I'll go for the group option. I'll select the group. And after that, again, this row level of grouping we will select and we will click OK. Then again, I can click on minus in order to collapse it. Similarly, we can do it for ACN division, and we will go for group, and within a group, again, I can select the group option, and here we will group on the basis of rows. And then lastly, we will perform the same step for African division. We will highlight it and we will go to group, and we will say again group, and row wise grouping will happen again. So in this way, we can do the grouping. If I click on this minus, this Asian division is collapsed. If I click on this minus, the African division is getting collapsed. So you can notice out here, so we are able to see the summarized data just by having a feature of grouping of advanced Excel. Now, my management is able to see the summarized view. Now, sometime my management is interested to see the detail about European division. So what they can do, they can click on plus symbol and they can expand the data, and they will be able to see all detailed information about the European division. So this is all about the grouping feature of Excel. So friends, this is all for the day. Tomorrow again, I'll meet you with another interesting topic. Till then, keep revising, keep computing. So see you tomorrow on the same channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.